Here's the truth. Women aren't as direct as men when it comes to attraction. Instead of saying, "I like you," they drop subtle cues. And the craziest part, 97% of older men never pick up on them. Today, we'll break down the secret question women ask when they're interested, and why understanding this makes you 10x more attractive. Main content. Build up. Now, if a woman is into you, she's going to test the waters. She's not going to say, "Hey, I want to date you." Instead, she'll ask something simple, but deeply psychological. Something like, "Are you always this confident? Do you work out? Why are you so different from other guys?" Sounds innocent, right? But these aren't random. They're tests to see if you know your value. The worst thing you can do: shrug it off or downplay yourself. Stoicism element. The right response. A stoic man doesn't seek validation. He doesn't react emotionally or try too hard to impress. When a woman asks these questions, your job isn't to over-explain or fumble. It's to stay centered. Here's how you respond. "I guess I just carry myself differently." Smirk, eye contact. "What do you think?" Playful, confident. "Maybe, but I don't chase approval." Chill, composed. See the difference? You're not seeking her approval. You're letting her lean in. That's power. There's one specific question women ask that reveals everything. Whether she's interested, testing you, or seeing if you're worth her time. And if you don't recognize it, you're losing opportunities without even knowing it. Stay with me, because once you understand this, you'll never miss a woman's signals again. See, here's the problem. Most guys are either too oblivious. They think she's just being friendly. Too insecure. They think, "There's no way she likes me." Too eager. They over-explain, overreact, or try too hard. But what if I told you women are constantly dropping hints, and if you just knew how to respond, you'd change the entire dynamic? The next time a woman asks you something like, "Are you always this confident? Do you work out? Why are you so different from other guys? I feel like you're trouble. Are you?" Pause. Don't rush. What she's doing here is testing you. She's seeing if you're going to downplay yourself or own your value. Women aren't going to come out and say, "I like you." Instead, they use subtle questions to gauge your confidence. They want to know, do you see yourself as a high-value man? Do you crumble under pressure? Or do you pass the test? The wrong response. What most men do. Bad response. Haha, I don't know. I guess I just got lucky. Shrugs. Bad response. Oh no, I'm not that confident. I just fake it. Laughs nervously. Bad response. Wait, do you think I work out? Nah, I should hit the gym more. You see what's happening here? He's seeking validation, downplaying himself, or rejecting her compliment. That kills attraction instantly. The right response. Stoic and playful. Good response. Maybe, but you tell me, what do you think? Throws it back at her, playful. Good response. I don't know. Do you usually flirt this much? Teasing, confident. Good response. Some people say that, but I don't really pay attention. Calm, indifferent. See the difference? Instead of seeking approval, you stay composed. You're making her work for your attention. That's what high-value men do. A stoic man doesn't need external validation. He doesn't react emotionally to every test a woman throws his way. Instead, he remains grounded, unshaken, and composed. When a woman asks you something flirty, she's watching how you respond under pressure. A weak man will fumble. A stoic man will stay centered. The question that changes everything. All right, here's the deal. Women don't flirt the way men do. They don't say, "Hey, I like you. Take me now." Instead, they drop hints. They test your confidence, and it almost always starts with a question. Here, do you always dress this well? Here, I feel like you're trouble. Are you? Here, why are you so different from other guys? Here, who taught you to flirt like this? When she asks this, she's not just making conversation. She's subtly asking, are you really as high value as you seem? And most men fail because they either downplay themselves, haha, no, I just got lucky. Over-explain, well, actually, I started working on myself years ago and get awkward. I don't know. What do you mean? But the men who pass know exactly how to respond. The stoic, high-value response. A stoic man doesn't react emotionally. He doesn't seek validation. Instead, he holds his frame, stays composed, and makes her chase his energy. The right responses. Playful and confident. I don't know. Do you always flirt this much? Mysterious and intriguing. Some people say that, but I'll let you figure it out. Calm and collected. Maybe. But I don't really pay attention. Notice something. You're not over-explaining. You're not proving yourself. You're making her work for it. When you master this, you flip the dynamic. Suddenly, she's chasing you. The science behind it. Why it works. This isn't just a trick, it's psychology. Women are naturally drawn to men who hold their frame. It's built into human nature. When you pass these tests, you signal 3 things to her subconscious mind. 1. You're unshaken. You don't fumble under pressure. 2. You know your worth. You don't need to prove yourself. 3. You're a challenge, and women love a challenge. The fatal mistake most men make. Mistake number 1. Over-explaining. Women don't want a TED talk. Keep it short, confident, and playful. Mistake number 2. Self-deprecating humor. Stop saying, haha, I don't know, I'm just a loser. She won't think it's funny. She'll believe you. Mistake number 3. Reacting emotionally. If you get defensive, flustered, or needy, you fail. But if you can just stay calm, centered, and slightly mysterious, you win. Every time. Final act. How to apply this starting today. So here's what you do. The next time a woman asks you a flirty question, pause, don't rush. Look her in the eyes, and instead of over-explaining, turn it back on her. Here. Are you always this confident? You. Maybe. But I think you're just trying to figure me out. Smirk. Boom. Power shifts. Energy changes. Attraction skyrockets. Most men will never understand this. But now you do. If you want to master confidence, attraction, and stoicism in your everyday life, hit like and subscribe right now. So next time a woman asks you something flirty, remember, don't overreact. Don't over-explain. Own it. And watch how the energy shifts in your favor. If you want more insights on confidence, attraction, and mastering stoicism in your daily life, hit like and subscribe right now.